My people, one pastor for Ghana. Omo, this one. No, today I know they smile for this one. The man, I beg, relax. Una not go believe wetin my eye see and wetin my ear hear. Inside church, una understand? People they sing. Now so this Rastafaria come out, say they dance. Dance on a dance, this boy dance, he no care anybody. He started dance, so as they sing, they break the dance. Una know those break dance. Oh, no, that guy get talent, but may we leave that one first. I see they dance. Now, so before we know, we can't see pastor stand up. We can't wonder where pastor they go. Hey, we not go believer. He go carry the rasta guy, show him the way to the door, the way to the outside world. He say he no they allowed. Me, he no get any right to come here, come they dance. This, in fact, the thing can shock everybody. As I dey talk to Nana, he don't cause wahala. Everybody don't they talk. Everybody don't. I say I go bring and come na side because I need pass wisdom to whom wisdom is needed. I bet for now we don't know what they talk about. Because I just say we never understand the anger where I carry inside. Because join me, make we watch the video. It is such a pity. Now, our churches of now, they don't turn out to business centers. We are not going to understand. Because now they open eye, they check. Who get class? Who get money? Who get... No, make person tell me now. If na rich person, they dance there. Person will park Range Rover outside. They go sack up. See how he disgrace am. Now dance, oh. No, I beg, I won't make you understand something. I not to say you go thief person phone. No. I not to say you go slap pastor wife. Now dance. Now he get this kind. And if you never notice, the guy said, now dance, they dance. Nobody even they dance for that place. Now only people they sing. No, una check the video. Even the members, all of them, I don't know where they go. I don't know what they do. Now only this guy. I don't see. Una fit see this thing as nonsense. Like I they talk about the dance. Una fit see this one they fool. This one this one. But una don't know whether na even God push her outside to go dance. You don't even know whether na in blessing be that. This is total discrimination. What they wrong with some people? Person carry rasta, he is not this one. Person carry that one, he is not that one. I no understand. Which Bible na they read? Which Bible? No, are they very serious? So no, look me like this. I know they smile. Which Bible una they read? Time don't reach for pastors to understand. Say church na hospital. Different people with different sickness and diseases. You know, fit just see no open church. If you know say you no get heart to accommodate people or to take people, I bet no open church. I don't tire for myself. Even Jesus, when una hear say people meet Jesus, Jesus tell them say, no, I don't talk to people like this. Una don't hear say Jesus choose Range Rover over Kabu. I don't know where una dey learn una own things from. Every day you go to hear them. And funny enough, now these same people, these same pastors go the same people. Go and do evangelism. No, as they go to evangelism, who did they talk to? Okay, as they go evangelism, you go tell them, look for flashy cars. Look for... No, I just they ask. Because it be like say, some nuts don't remove on our head. You go send them, go to evangelism. So, after they do evangelism, no be these same people go come your church. How you wan keep them if you no know say you suppose? Oh, Bible even talk am. Since una wan make I teach una, I go teach una. Bible talk am say he that winneth souls is wise. The thing wey this man just do now, na win soul. Meaning say he's unwise. He's unwise. Una suppose understand some kind things o. This life wey we dey, nobody. No, make person show me person wey dey perfect for this life. Show me person wey dey perfect and I go show you how stupid you are. Very, very important, because I no dey understand. You go call people make they call your church. Ungwa no, they don't call now. You dey send person outside because he dance. Because he dance. See, because when people come una church, in case say you be pastor, you dey watch me, you dey hear me now. If people come una church, no look the way they dress, no look the way they look, no look hairstyle, no, I beg, no try am. If not, you go lose your focus. Allow them inside. With time, they go change. Yes. Person fit dey call your church now every Sunday they wear short skirt. We know it's not right. We know. Allow the person. Allow the person. See, una know wetin be guilty conscience. E get how you go enter one place, you see say everybody kneel down. For instance, everybody kneel down, only you dey stand. First time you stand, second time you stand. E get how the thing go do you. E get one time you go say no, these people they don't dey kneel down every time, make I follow. Now like that, you know, see, you can force a horse to the stream, you cannot force the horse to drink water. Which one be all this pressure wey una dey pressure people? They will change. Wetin be una problem? Abeg my people, I don tire for some pastors o, because I don tire. Condemnation upon condemnation. Una dey condemn people anyhow. Una dey select. Una dey any. See, I know they blame some people when they talk say they know they go church. When they talk say no. Look at this one. No be disgrace. Abeg, make una help me share this video, because they plenty where they need this wisdom. They plenty where they need this sense. I don't tire for them. Because help me share this video so that they go know how to treat human beings. Like say them, they be God. And I beg, drop your comment for that comment section. Forgive me if I know they smile. I'm not in a smiling mood. And waiting again. Yes, subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you know what they get. Oh yeah, make us smile. I know they like all this thing. You know what they get interesting matters like this. You understand? Very, very important. Stay tuned for our next story.